Levels of structural organization of a multicellular organism. So, what is mean by organization? Organization is the manner in which smaller units of any structure are aggregated into higher or larger units. That means organization means there are number of smaller units. So when these smaller units are collected together or combined together, it forms a cluster, or there will be collection of number of units. So these units, when they combine each other, it becomes a higher or larger units. So it is known as organization. So what is the purpose of organization? What is the use of purpose in case of multicellular organism? So the main purpose of this organization in case of multicellular organism is the division of the labor which help them to carry out different functions more effectively. There are each units, or each smaller units or higher units, they have a particular role. So these role which can carry out effectively we can carry out these functions. So let's see the levels or steps of the multicellular organisms. So when these smaller units, when they combine each other, it becomes organisms. So in case of cells, when these cells united together, it becomes tissue. So when these tissues combine together, it forms organ. So there are some levels. So each level has its own function. So let's see the levels that compose an organism. First one, chemical level. Chemical level is the lowest level of an organism. The lowest level of organization is chemical level. So in the chemical level includes all the chemicals which is essential for maintaining life. Like there are some chemicals that will be present in the living matter or in the living substance. So there will be some chemical substances like carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, etc. So these chemicals will help for maintaining the life. So all these chemical reactions will takes place in the cytoplasm. All the chemicals are made up of atoms. So atoms, when they join together, it forms a molecule. Second one, cellular level. The chemicals are put together to form the cellular level. That means the first level is chemical level. When the number of chemicals, when they united together or when they combine together, it forms a cell. It forms a cell, so it is known as cellular level. So these cells, each particular cell has its own structure, own shape, own function. So that can be seen in all the living organisms. Third one, tissue level. The cells that are similar in structure, origin and function form a tissue. See, there are number of cells in our body, and these cells in some organs, you can see some of the cells, they are similar in structure, similar, they are originated and they have the same function. So these cells, when they works together, and it becomes a tissue. Fourth one, organ level. Organ level, an organ may be defined as a structure of the body which performs a specific function. It is formed of different tissues. So, in our body, there are different organs like brain, heart, kidneys, blood vessels, like different, there are number of organs. So, these organs are formed with the presence of tissues. When the number of tissues, when they combine together or when they work together, it becomes a proper structure of the body and which performs a particular function. It is formed in different tissues. So there are different types of tissues. So these type of tissues which have the role in our body in a different organs. Fifth one, system levels. System level, there are several organs constitute an organ system. So for example, circulatory system. So it is a one of the system which helps to circulate the fluid in our body. So this system will help to circulate the blood as well as some fluid with the presence of some organs like heart, blood vessels. So when they work together and it becomes a system. Sixth one, organismic level. Here all the organ systems of the body constitutes a total organism. Now all the organs are formed and these organs that need to be work in our body, so it requires a system. So the system may be skeletal system, muscular system, circulatory system, excretory system, reproductive system, respiratory system, digestive system, there are number of system. So when these system works in our body, it becomes a total organism, a complete structure of organisms are formed. So this is about the levels of structural organization of a multicellular organism. Level of organization higher to the organism. So to become a organism, there are number of steps. So from the organisms, so organisms only, they can't depend only for the biotic components. They also need non-biotic components or non-living components. That non-living components which will be present in our environment. So when they interact with each other, it becomes a higher level of organization. So these organization which is a higher level, that is population level, community level, ecosystem level and biosphere level. So organizations are of two types. One is lower to the organisms and levels higher to the organism. First one is lower to the organism. Lower to the organism is from the atom to the organism, and higher to the organism is from the organism to the biosphere. So there are some levels. So these levels will carry out different functions. So this is about levels of structural organization of a multicellular organisms.